Imagine uncovering a sneaky way to slash your prescription costs by ditching your insurance copay altogether. Does that sound too good to be true? Well, it might just be the savvy money saver you've been overlooking. Next time you're about to grab that prescription from your go-to pharmacy, hit pause and consider this eye-opening revelation. Sometimes shelling out cash up front could leave you with more change in your wallet than relying on your health plan's copay. It's a counterintuitive twist in the world of healthcare expenses that demands a closer look. And trust me, by the end, you'll be questioning your usual routine. As Kevin Brasler, the executive editor at Washington Consumers Checkbook, https://www.checkbook.org/Washington Area Consumers Notebook/article/save on prescription drugs, why paying out of pocket might be cheaper than your insurance copay 7410, wisely points out, we discovered that in certain cases, it's actually more economical to cover prescription drug costs directly from your own funds rather than through the copayment tied to your insurance. This insight can be a game changer, especially for those juggling tight budgets or facing high deductible plans. To make it simpler, think of it like comparing the price of a latte at a fancy cafe versus a discount coffee shop. Sometimes the budget option isn't what you expect. The secret weapon here lies in the array of drug discount programs that are readily available and often completely free. Brasler explains that these services collaborate directly with pharmacies to secure reduced rates for their users. Popular ones include America's Pharmacy, https americaspharmacy.com, BlinkHealth, https www.blinkhealth.com, GoodRx, https www.goodrx.com, SingleCare, https www.wellrx.com. For beginners, these aren't complicated scams. They're legitimate tools designed to negotiate better deals on medications, much like how coupon apps help you score grocery bargains. And it's not limited to online-only operations. Many large pharmacy chains partner with these programs, bringing the savings right to your local corner store. Curious how the magic happens? It's straightforward and user-friendly. You log into one of these discount websites, enter the name of your medication, the amount you need, and sometimes your zip code for location-specific options. Instantly, you're presented with current pricing at nearby pharmacies. Click on the discount offer and voila, you get a coupon you can print or digitally send to the pharmacy. This way, Brasler notes, you can comparison shop and often end up paying less than your insurance copay would cost. Picture this. You're prescribed a common antibiotic, and while your copay is $20, a quick search reveals a discount bringing it down to $8. That's $12 back in your pocket, real money for everyday essentials. But here's where it gets controversial. Before diving in, Brasler advises reviewing the company's privacy policy. Why? Because these discount services operate outside the protections of HIPAA, the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, which safeguards your data when dealing with traditional insurance. While many promise not to sell your personal details, they might still gather enough to target ads your way. Think personalized pitches popping up for related health products. Is this a fair trade-off for savings, or does it infringe on your right to privacy? And this is the part most people miss. If you opt for the coupon and skip your insurance, whether private or Medicare, for a particular drug, that transaction won't contribute to your annual deductible. So, you're saving short-term, but potentially missing out on long-term benefits, like hitting that deductible threshold faster. It's a delicate balance between immediate gratification and future planning. In the end, this approach could democratize access to affordable meds, empowering consumers to navigate a complex system. But is it equitable, or does it favor those savvy enough to shop around while leaving others in the dust? What are your thoughts? Have you tried these discounts and saved big, or do you see privacy risks as a deal breaker? Do you think this undermines insurance models, or is it a clever workaround? Share your experiences and opinions in the comments. I'd love to hear how this resonates with you. Stay in the loop with breaking news and daily headlines straight to your inbox by subscribing here. https://warawtop.com/newsletter sign up. Copyright Promises 2025 WTOP. This website is not intended for users located within the European Economic Area. Neil Augenstein, https://wtop.com/author/Neil Augenstein, has been a versatile general assignment reporter with WTOP since 1997, and he eagerly anticipates each workday, even if it kicks off at the early hour of 3:30 a.m.